So hey everyone, welcome to the new video, and today we are learning about the pipes in Angular. So let's see what are the pipes in Angular. So pipes are referred as filters. It helps to transform data and manage data within interpolation. You know what is interpolation? We are learned before the few videos. Uh, we know what are the interpolation and how we denote it with the double curly braces. Okay, so in the double curly braces we use this sign, and this is how we denote the pipes. Okay, so pipes are simple functions designed to accept an input value, process and return a transformed value as an output. So basically you can understand it as a any person go to the makeup room, the makeup room transform these persons into the some beautiful persons. Okay, so this is like the pipe same. If you enter the data into the pipes, you can see it will transform the data in a beautiful manner. Okay, beautify the data. Okay, and these are some of the commonly used predefined angular pipes like date pipe, uppercase, lowercase, currency, percentage, decimal. These are different types of pipes. Those are predefined in the Angular. Okay, we will see some of these types, or some of you can practice some of these types. Okay, so let's see. Let's go to our VS Code and let's see what are the pipes and how we can implement these. Okay, so here we are in the VS Code, and we are in the app component file. Now we know what how we generate the components. Okay, so we are in the our app.component.ts file, and here we are giving any topic like title like pipe demo we are doing. So it's pipe demo. Okay, and we are giving another thing like we are using date pipe. We see that there is a date predefined pipe, so we are using that date pipe. Okay, and how we use this like this. Okay, this is how we define the date type. Okay, so now let's go to our HTML file and write here some code. Okay, like we can say uh, uh, pre no, we can say what before date, uh, before date. Okay, just simple that before date. Okay, and what we are using the interpolation, because this is how we use the pipes. Okay, so we have to just write simply to date method that we have defined there. Okay, to date. Okay, this variable we are defining here simply. Okay, this is nothing but this is simply print the date. But if we need date in a formatted way, so what we have to do, like after date. Okay, again use interpolation, and then now to date, and this is how we use a pipe. Okay, and after that a date. Okay, so now you can see we will get a different thing. Okay, so let's run this code first. Okay, and let's see what was the output. Okay, so yeah, ng serve. So now you can see our code is successfully compiled. Okay, so let's go to localhost 4200 port number and see if it's working or not. Okay, localhost 4200. You can see before date is the this is the format of the date. Okay, when we use simply to date variable, but when we use the pipes, you can see it is a beautiful manner and it is a readable format of the date. Okay, so this is the use of the pipes. Okay, So this is how we can declare the pipes, and you can declare more types of the pipes. One more type of the pipe is like, okay, we are printing in big manner. Okay, so one more type is like we have a currency pipe. Okay, we have seen that. Okay, so what currency? Okay, and this is also the example of the parameterized pipes. Okay, because we are giving a parameter here in the currency. Okay, so this is also the example of parameterized pipe. So let's see what was the output of this currency uh, pipe. Okay, so let's go to our browser, and you can see we are getting a currency sign before this 100. Okay, because we are giving here a INR. If we are giving a USD, you all know what is a USD, is a US dollar. Okay, so if we are using USD, you can see we are getting a dollar sign before this. Okay, so this is simply the pipes are just beautifying our data. Okay, so you can use more pipes, as we can see, uppercase, lowercase. Okay, these are simple, you can see these things. Okay, so this is the basic thing of pipe, and we can use this as simple as that. Okay, so thank you for this video, and see you in the next video. Thank you.